What's up, food soulmates? Perhaps one of the most endearing dishes in Chinese cuisine is wonton soup. Taking its origins from ancient China centuries ago and made specifically from square-shaped wrappers, it is immediately recognizable and loved by many well beyond the Chinese border. We will need 100 grams of shiitake mushrooms, 150 grams of bamboo shoots, 500 grams of pork mince, 1/3 cup spring onion, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 bunch of bok choy, 1 egg, teaspoon salt, 2 sprigs of dill, 80 wonton skins, 2 sprigs of coriander, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Start by dicing mushrooms into small pieces. If you happen to have dried ones, then soak them in water for about an hour to soften them first. Next, dice the bamboo shoots into the same small pieces. It's totally up to you to determine how small you want them to be inside the wonton filling. Chop the spring onion. We will use some of it for the filling and the rest will go into the soup and garnish. Coriander and dill need to be chopped as well. Wonton fillings differ from area to area, so feel free to substitute any of the ingredients with what's available, or if you're not a fan of anything in particular. Place the mince in a bowl. Add chopped mushrooms, bamboo shoots, onion, saving part for garnish, coriander, dill, grated ginger, egg, soy sauce, and salt. Start mixing it by hand until everything is thoroughly combined. Don't be timid with it either. You can knead it and even slap the mixture. All of this will only improve the overall flavor by combining the ingredients better. To make a wonton, place a tablespoon of the mince mixture in the center of the square skin. Dip your finger in water and brush the opposite sides of the skin to make them sticky. Fold and press the sides against each other. Then flip the sealed edge upwards and fold the wonton towards yourself. Apply some more water to one of the corners and press it against another corner of the skin to form the classic wonton shape. Did you know that some chefs are able to wrap one wonton in under 3 seconds? That's 20 wontons in a minute. It is always a good idea to buy more wonton skins than you would need because you don't want to end up with extra mince that you could not use. Stay tuned for one of our next videos to learn what else you can do with wonton skins. You will be amazed, I promise you. With this recipe, you will have many more wontons left that you can freeze and cook at a later time. If you are planning to eat some straight away, then blanch the bok choy first in the boiling water until leaves are bright green but still crunchy. Set aside and cook the wontons in the same water immediately afterwards. If cooked fresh, then they are ready as soon as all of them float up. If you are cooking from frozen, allow 1 extra minute to make sure they are cooked through. Just before turning off the heat, add some shallots. Serve in a bowl, adding as much broth as you desire from the pot. Add the previously blanched bok choy, some soy sauce and more fresh shallots. Enjoy, and if you're hungry for more recipes like these, subscribe!